I've been a mechanic for 15 years, and these 6 SUVs, I see them in my shop more than any others. Not for oil changes, for catastrophic failures that cost more than the vehicle is worth. If you're shopping for a used SUV right now, watch this entire video, because one of these is probably on your list, and I'm about to save you thousands in repair bills. Let's start with the worst offender. The Jeep Compass. 2007 to 2017 models with the CVT or dual clutch automatic. The CVT transmission fails around 60,000 to 80,000 miles, slipping, shuddering, then complete failure. Customer brought in a 2015 Compass, 72,000 miles. Transmission died on the highway. Repair estimate, $5,800. Vehicle was worth $7,500. But it's not just the transmission. The TIPM module fails constantly. When it goes, windows won't work, wipers stop, engine won't start. $1,200 to replace. Real repair costs. CVT transmission, $5,800 to $7,200. TIPM module, $1,200 to $1,800. Engine replacement after transmission fluid contamination, $6,500. Jeep extended the warranty to 10 years or 150,000 miles for some models. Outside that window, you're paying. If someone offers you a Compass for cheap, there's a reason. Walk away. Honda CR-V. 2017 to 2020 models with the 1.5-liter turbo engine. The problem? Oil dilution. Gasoline leaks past the piston rings and mixes with your engine oil. Your oil level goes up instead of down. Customer brought in a 2018 CR-V with 15,000 miles. Dipstick showed oil above the full mark. That's gasoline diluting your oil. Why does this matter? Gasoline doesn't lubricate. Bearings wear out. Piston rings fail. Catastrophic engine damage. Honda issued Technical Service Bulletin 18-114. Their fix? Software update and monitor your oil level. That's it. In Canada, Honda extended the warranty to 6 years unlimited miles. In the US? Nothing. Real repair costs. Oil changes every 3,000 miles. Adds $400 per year. Engine replacement, $6,500 to $8,800. Piston ring replacement, $3,500 to $4,800. One customer had a 3-year-old CR-V with 68,000 miles. Engine seized. $7,200 repair bill. Don't assume Honda means reliable anymore. The Nissan Rogue, the CVT failure king. The CVT starts whining around 50,000 to 70,000 miles, then jerking, overheating, then dead. Customer brought in a 2016 Rogue, 63,000 miles, transmission gone, $5,200 for a remanufactured CVT. Vehicle was worth $9,000. Nissan extended the warranty to 10 years or 120,000 miles for some models, but only if you're the original owner with every maintenance record. Miss one CVT fluid change? Warranty denied. Real repair costs. CVT transmission, $5,200 to $6,800. CVT fluid changes every 30,000 miles, $400 each. Transmission cooler, $800 to $1,200. One customer went through 3 CVTs in 150,000 miles. First covered under warranty. Second cost $5,500. Third? She traded it in. Looking at a used Rogue? Budget $6,000 for a transmission in the next 2 years. Ford Explorer 2020 model with the 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine. The water pump is inside the engine. When it fails around 80,000 to 120,000 miles, coolant leaks into the engine oil, bearings destroyed, engine seizes. Customer brought in a 2016 Explorer, 94,000 miles. Noticed coolant smell. Oil was contaminated. Engine damaged. Repair bill, $9,800 for a new engine. Ford's response: this is a normal wear item. A $9,800 wear item. Even if you catch it early and replace just the water pump, it's $2,800 to $3,500. They have to remove timing chains, front of the engine, everything. Real repair costs. Water pump replacement, $2,800 to $3,500. Engine replacement, $8,500 to $11,200. One customer did preventive water pump at 85,000 miles, $3,200. At 140,000 miles, failed again, another $3,200. Volkswagen Tiguan, 2009 to 2017 models with the 2.0-liter TSI engine. The timing chain tensioner fails between 60,000 and 100,000 miles. Timing chain jumps, valves hit pistons, engine destroyed. Customer brought in a 2013 Tiguan, 78,000 miles. Started it one morning. Horrible rattling for 3 seconds, then silence. Engine toast. Repair estimate, $8,200 for a new engine. Even preventive timing chain tensioner replacement costs $2,200 to $2,800. It's buried behind the engine. Real repair costs. Timing chain tensioner, $2,200 to $2,800. Engine replacement, $7,500 to $9,500. I've seen Tiguans with 65,000 miles need $8,000 in engine work. Looking at a used Tiguan, budget $3,000 for preventive timing, work immediately, or buy something else. Last one, the Dodge Durango, 2011 to 2020 models with the 3.6-liter Pentastar 5.6. This one has 3 catastrophic failure points. First, oil consumption. Burns 1 quart of oil every 800 to 1,000 miles. Should be 1 quart per 10,000 miles. Customer brought in a 2014 Durango with 87,000 miles. Check engine light. Oil consumption test showed 1 quart every 800 miles. Piston rings failed. Cylinder wall scored. Second, the 62T transmission fails at 60,000 to 90,000 miles. Torque converter shutters, then complete failure. Third, same TIPM electrical module as the Jeep Compass. Controls everything. When it fails, your $30,000 SUV becomes a paperweight. Real repair costs. Engine replacement after oil consumption damage, $7,500 to $9,200. Transmission replacement, $4,200 to $5,800. TIPM module, $1,200 to $1,600. Here's the kicker. Dodge discontinued the Durango in 2024. They couldn't fix these problems. They just stopped making them. One customer bought a 2015 Durango for $18,000. Within 18 months, $5,400 transmission, $1,300 TIPM, then $8,200 engine. He spent more on repairs than the vehicle was worth. FCA lost a class action lawsuit in 2023 over the oil consumption. They admitted the defect but only covered 2011 to 2014 models. So there you have it, 6 used SUVs that will drain your bank account. Avoid these. There are better options out there. If this saved you thousands, hit subscribe. I post honest mechanic advice every week, the stuff dealerships don't want you to know. See you in the next one.